Hey guys, Friesian here. Welcome back to another video. We have this 2005 Toyota Solara, and we are replacing the valve cover gaskets front and rear, as well as the spark plugs. So let's get to it. Under the hood, we have a famous 3.3 V6 engine. Okay, and it's completely dripping in oil. On the front, from the back, it has oil all over, and it has a massive leak everywhere, as you can see. But the customer only wants to replace the valve cover gaskets, the front and rear, as well as the spark plugs. So let me go ahead and start taking this apart, tell you what tools you need, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's get started. In a nutshell, we're going to be taking this engine cover off, then the valve cover, the upper intake manifold, which is this one, and then right under you're going to have the rear valve cover. Okay, so we're also going to be replacing this air box along with the top intake, and that should be it, right? Simple as that. Clean our areas, put our new gaskets in, and yada yada. So let me go ahead and start taking this off. All right, so let's do the front valve cover. Okay, so to remove the engine cover, you're gonna use a 3/16 Allen wrench. Okay, all right, you're gonna have 3 of those. Take those out. Then you're gonna have the valve cover here, super accessible. You're gonna remove the coils. You got 3 coils, number 10, and around the valve cover you're also gonna have 10 mils. Okay, and these 2 little guys are going to be EP, let's see, what is it? EP5. Yep, it's going to be that type, EP5. Take it out so you can remove these cables and remove the valve cover. So let me go ahead and do this one first, and then I'll remove the rear. So once you have your valve cover off, obviously clean your area. Okay, and when you're ready to install, make sure you put some RBT here, right there, right here, and right here, and lastly right there and right behind it. Okay, that's where the joints are at, and where you don't want to have any leaks after you do this job, obviously. So let's go ahead and put our valve cover on. We already have the new seals that go here as well, and let's go ahead and tackle the rear. Alrighty, so now with the front cover gasket replaced, we're going to go ahead and remove the intake, and so we can access the rear valve cover. To get to it, okay, we need to remove this crossbar, 214s here, 214s right there, and then we need to disconnect all these hoses that are connecting into the intake. Take this out, you know, is a 10 right there, another 10 on the other side. Pop it up, disconnect those vacuum lines. Right here, the intake, this section is going to be held on by a 14, another 14, and 2 in the middle are going to be 2 Allen heads. There are 5/16. Okay, so one here, another one there, and then this little bracket here is held on by 2 10s. Okay, other than that, let me take all this out, and then the valve cover at the back is going to be the same thing as the front. Valve cover itself is going to be 10s. The coils are also going to be 10s, and the spark plugs are going to be 5/8. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this out. Okay, we got our intake out. All right, so like I said, at the front you're gonna have before Allen 5/16 size, and then you're gonna have two 14 on the corners. Okay, one here, another one here, and then at the back of the intake you're gonna have a 12 here, a 12 here, and right here you're gonna have a 14. Okay, right under you're gonna have this hose that the intake connects to. You can disconnect it once the intake is on its way out, and when it's on its way in, connect it first, don't forget it, and that's that. So now the next thing we got to do is just remove the valve cover. Okay, so same thing as the front. We're gonna remove the coils, change the spark plugs, and change the gasket. So nothing else to it, nothing crazy. So we're gonna push this back a little bit, take this 10s so we can move the harness out of the way, out of the valve cover, and take care of those gaskets. So let me go ahead and get that done. There you go, we're done. We got all our spark plugs. We removed all the broken, cracked seals, and so let's go ahead and call this customer and tell him he's ready. So you can do it, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.